transaction states. In database management system, there are various states of transaction. Here we can see in a database, the transaction can be in one of the following states. So the begin state, active, partially committed, failed, committed, aborted, and the end. So these two, partially and aborted, both are from the active state. When a transaction in active state, it can be further go either by in partially committed state or in failed state. And so this is the basic diagram of the states of transaction in database management system. So there are basically 6 states: active, partially committed, failed, committed, aborted, and terminated state, which is known as the end state. So the various states of a database transaction are listed below, and here we can see the first one is the active state. In an active state, a transaction enters into an active state when the execution process begins, and during this state, means during the active state of transaction, read or write operations can be performed. Second one is partially committed. A transaction goes into the partially committed state after the end of a transaction. तो कोई ट्रांजेक्शन एग्जीक्यूट होता है, ओके, सो दिस इज नॉन एज द एक्टिव स्टेट. एंड पार्शियली कमिटेड मीन्स ट्रांजेक्शन्स एग्जीक्यूट हो चुका है कम्प्लीटली, बट कमिट हो चुका है एग्जीक्यूट, बट उसके थ्रू जो चेंजेस हुए, जो अपडेशंस हुए, वो डेटाबेस में अपडेट नहीं हुए. दिस इज नॉन एज द पार्शियली कमिटेड. द थर्ड वन इज committed state, and this is also known as fully committed. When the transaction is committed or to state, it has already completed its execution successfully. Moreover, all of its changes are recorded or updated to the database permanently. So this is known as the committed state. And then failed state. Fourth one is the failed state. A transaction considers failed when any one of the checks fails, or if the transaction is aborted while it is in the active state. So this is known as the failed state. And the fifth one is terminated state. State of transaction reaches terminated state when certain transactions which are leaving the system can't be restarted. Means जो ट्रांजेक्शन कमिट हो चुके हैं या जो एंड हो चुके हैं, उनको फिर से रीस्टार्ट नहीं कर सकते हैं. दे कांट बी रीस्टार्टेड. दिस इज नॉट द टर्मिनेटेड स्टेट ऑफ द ट्रांजेक्शन. दिस इज द बेसिक डायग्राम ऑफ स्टेट ट्रांजिशन डायग्राम फॉर ए डेटाबेस ट्रांजेक्शन. Here we can see begin transaction. This is the first state, active state, and in this state the read and write operation can be performed. And after that there are two possibilities. From the active state, the transaction can go either to partially committed state or to failed state. From the active state, so when the transaction ends, it goes to partially committed, and it is aborted, then it is go to failed state. And from partially committed it can go to either to committed state or to aborted state. So अगर partially committed जो transactions है वो अगर abort हो जाता है तो उस केस में वो failed state में पहुंच जाता है. अगर वो successfully committed हो जाता है, मीन्स commit होने के बाद उसके जो अपडेशंस हैं, जो भी ऑपरेशंस, वो डेटाबेस में स्टोर कर दिए जाए. जो भी रीड राइट ऑपरेशंस के रिजल्ट्स हैं उनको डेटाबेस में अपडेट कर दिया जाए, उसमें रिकॉर्ड कर दिया जाए. देन इट इज़ नॉन एज द कमिटेड स्टेट, फुली कमिटेड स्टेट. आफ्टर दैट द ट्रांजेक्शन कैन गोज टू अ टर्मिनेटेड स्टेट. transaction can be in terminated state also from the failed state. So this is the basically state transition diagram for a database transactions where the active, partially committed, failed and terminated states are showing in this picture. So let's study a state transition diagram that highlights how a transaction moves between these various states. So the first one is once a transaction starts execution, it becomes active. जब भी कोई ट्रांजेक्शन एग्जीक्यूशन स्टार्ट करता है तो ये एक्टिव स्टेट में हो जाता है. इट कैन इशू रीड और राइट ऑपरेशन, और इस स्टेट में मीन्स एक्टिव स्टेट में वो रीड और राइट ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म कर सकता है. सो इट कैन इशू द रीड और राइट ऑपरेशन. सेकेंड वन इज once the read and write operations complete, the transactions becomes partially committed state. जब रीड राइट ऑपरेशन कंप्लीट हो जाता है मीन्स ट्रांजेक्शन्स के जो भी ऑपरेशंस हो वो कंप्लीट हो जाते हैं, देन ट्रांजेक्शन बिकम्स पार्शियली कमिटेड. पार्शियली कमिटेड इसलिए बिकॉज अभी सिर्फ ऑपरेशंस कंप्लीट हुए ट्रांजेक्शन्स के, जो ऑपरेशंस के रिजल्ट है उनको डेटाबेस में स्टोर या रिकॉर्ड नहीं किया गया. सो इट इज नोन एज पार्शियली कमिटेड. देन थर्ड वन इज नेक्स्ट, some recovery protocols need to ensure that a system failure will not result in an inability to record changes in the transaction permanently. If this check is a success, the transaction commits and enters into the committed state. So this is known as the fully committed state when the updations are made in databases. Fourth one is if the check is a fail, the transaction goes to failed state. And fifth one is if the transaction is aborted while it's in the active state, it goes to the failed state. This one, and the transaction aborted from the active state, it goes to failed state. So the transaction should be rolled back to undo the effect of its right operation on the database. जो भी ऑपरेशंस किए गए हैं ट्रांजेक्शन्स के तो उसको अंडन किया जाता है, रोल बैक किया जाता है टू अंडन द इफेक्ट ऑफ इट्स राइट ऑपरेशंस. So that the sixth one point is the terminated state refers to the transaction leaving the system. Okay. Here we use the state of transaction which is terminated state when certain transactions which are leaving the system can't be restarted. तो ट्रांजेक्शन जो होता है वो एग्जीक्यूट हो जाता है, सिस्टम्स को एग्जिट किया जाता है, उसके बाद उसको रीस्टार्ट नहीं कर सकते. इट कांट बी रीस्टार्टेड, द ट्रांजेक्शन कांट बी रीस्टार्टेड. दिस इज नॉन एज टर्मिनेटेड स्टेट.